gear stuck up. We had solved the problem of reverse gear stuck up, but again we were getting reports of gear stuck up. Now these were cases of stuck up in other gears. On inquiry with line mechanics, they informed that there was excess travel of gear shifting rod. This resulted in the lower end of gear selector coming out of the jaw of gear shifting rod and could not be put back in position. This was making changing of gear impossible. They removed gear selector tower and gear selector assembly cover, shifted gear selector rod to neutral position and tightened the fork bolt. Arrangement of gear shifting rods is shown in Figure 1. In this figure, jaws are shown in dark gray color and lower end of tower is shown in orange. In this figure, all the rods are in neutral position and jaws of all the rods are aligned. In this position, tower end can move freely to select any gear shifting rod. With movement of tower end to left or right selects the required gear. Figure 2 shows the lower end of tower which engages with any one jaw and shifts it forward or backward. When any gear is selected, tower end cannot move sideways. It is covered by jaw end of other rod is shown in Figure 3. In city traffic, gear changing is very frequent. Naturally, gear changing is with impact. This results in shifting of gear changing fork position. With this, there is excess travel of gear shifting rod is shown in Figure 4. In this position, tower end can move sideways away from the jaw. Moreover, once it slips sideways, it cannot be put back in the jaw. This makes it impossible to change the gear. Bus gets detained on line for gear stuck up. Double gear engaging. 1. When fork bolt gets loose, fork can change its position on the rod. 2. If this happens when some other gear is engaged, then it can result in double gear engagement. 3. When vehicle is in motion in one gear and if another gear also engages, then system will get locked instantaneously. 4. In such situation, there will be serious damage to gearbox. 5. Actually, such cases of severe damage to gearboxes were observed occasionally. 6. But we used to only suspect about accidental wrong selection of gear by the driver. 7. Also, it was found that in some cases gear teeth were found to be broken. 8. But now it is clear that all those failures are due to double gear engagement. Now it was clear that impact while changing gears is the root cause of all these problems, but changing this habit of drivers was a difficult task. Moreover, there was question of handling 10,000 drivers. Obviously, it was practically impossible. Hence it was decided to find alternate solution. Remedy. Ultimately, a MS plate was provided to restrict the excess travel of gear shifting rods as shown in Figure 5. 1. Plate was acting as a stopper and prevented any impact on the fork. 2. This eliminated all cases of gear stuck up. 3. It also stopped all cases of severe damage to gearboxes. Result: 1. It stopped all breakdowns on road due to gear stuck up. 2. Number of gearboxes coming to workshop for overhauling reduced from 750 per month to 150 per month. Points to remember. 1. In this case, findings of line mechanics help to find root cause of the problem. 2. Even workshop staff who were overhauling gearboxes were not aware of the actual problem. 3. This underlines the importance of feedback from the staff actually working in the field. 4. This explains why many times even manufacturers are unable to give solution to the problem. 5. But if the manufacturers get proper feedback, then they can give solution immediately. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the channel PS Auto Solutions to learn many secrets of automobile with Praveen Shinde. Thank you.